Hello and welcome everyone to live tarot card reading and guidance. If you have any questions, you can put up here. I'm here to answer. Happy Baisakhi, Navvarsh, Hindu Navvarsh, Gudi Padwa to all of you.
म्यूट है क्या तुम्हारा? आवाज जोर से बोल रही हो, दूसरा थोड़ा काट दो ना।
Okay, Miss Arohi Pal, Lalit Simation. I'm taking your question. आपकी शादी तो होगी एंड बट थोड़ा पेशेंस रखना. यू विल हैव टू हैव पेशेंस, बट you have to be very decisive in this matter, cause I think आपकी शादी में जो कुछ भी डिले हो रही है उसका कारण डोमिनेंट फीमेल फिगर है, जिसकी वजह से ये स्लो हो रहा है. आई थिंक जो भी है आपकी शादी में प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, तो यू विल हैव टू वेट. वो मान जाएंगी, जो भी उनके फैमिली मेम्बर्स है वो मान जाएंगे, बट यू हैव टू मेक बैलेंस, एंड बैलेंस के बाद ही आप मूव ऑन कर सकते हैं. थैंक यू. आई एम टेकिंग द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. जॉब चेंज करना चाहता हूँ, क्या 2021 में पॉसिबल होगा? जॉब चेंज करना चाहते हैं उज्जवल जी. आई एम स्प्रेडिंग कार्ड फॉर यू. I got this card for you, Mr. Ujjwal. You will have to wait in near future. Recently like 6 months or 1 year में अभी थोड़ा आपको वेट करना होगा. मे बी नेक्स्ट ईयर आप जॉब स्विच कर सकते हैं. अभी थोड़ा मुश्किल है. यू विल हैव टू वेट. दैट्स इट. इट विल हैपन, लेकिन थोड़ा वेट करना होगा. थैंक यू. मेरा व्यवसाय का संघर्ष कब खत्म होगा? मिस्टर रवि, मेरा व्यवसाय का संघर्ष कब खत्म होगा? प्लीज़ आप अपने क्वेश्चंस ऐसे पुट कीजिए जैसे लाइक 6 मंथ्स या 1 ईयर में, नियर फ्यूचर में के लिए आप कुछ पूछना चाहते हैं, तो मैं आपको फिर ज़्यादा एक्यूरेट आंसर्स दे पाऊँगी. जस्ट वेट. ओके, आई विल पिक कार्ड्स फॉर यू. आपका संघर्ष खत्म होगा, लेकिन उसके लिए आपको बहुत हार्ड वर्क करना होगा, सही डिसीजंस लेने होंगे और एक बैलेंस बना के रखना होगा, तो आपका संघर्ष खत्म होगा. बट इतनी जल्दी नहीं खत्म होने वाला है. जैसे इस साल तक, बाय द एंड ऑफ दिस ईयर अभी ये चलता रहेगा, उसके बाद ही कुछ पॉजिटिव होगा. थैंक यू. Thank you. Thank you everyone. पूनम, मेरा नया साल कैसा रहेगा? A very happy new year to you. I'll draw cards for you. Let's see what this new year holds for you. See. This is Ace of Wands, which shows creativity, which is a very good sign for a new year. It's already shows it's a new beginning. You will be very decisive in all your decisions, very affirm. आप बहुत सही decisions लेंगी और बिल्कुल pros and cons देखते हुए इस साल में जो भी major decisions होंगे वो बहुत ही सोच समझ के लेंगी. एंड पेज ऑफ कप्स इट शोज कि आने वाला साल सेलिब्रेशंस देगा, पॉजिटिविटी देगा एंड इमोशनली यू विल बी ऑन हाई. बहुत अच्छे मेंटल पीस से पीस मिलेगा एंड इमोशन वाइज ये साल बहुत अच्छा रहेगा. थैंक यू. यस ईशान, 2021 कैसा जाएगा? ओके. ईशान, आई एम ड्राइंग कार्ड्स फॉर यू. दिस इज वेरी पॉजिटिव कार्ड. आपके डिजायर्स फुलफिल होंगे जो आप सोच रहे हो कुछ. इफ यू आर विशिंग फॉर समथिंग योर विशेस विल कम ट्रू. बट इन दिस केस आपको बहुत हार्ड वर्क करना होगा. दिस शोज मैन इन एक्शन. डिसीजंस और एक्शन आपके बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग होंगे. एंड लास्टली क्वीन ऑफ कप्स, इट शोज a very positive side, positive thing in this new year. बहुत ही अच्छा साल रहने वाला है. all positive card. Thank you. Okay, so I'm drawing cards for Mr. Saqib. 2021 कैसा रहेगा? Let's see. आई थिंक इमोशनली यू आर अ बिट डाउन. आप मटीरियलिस्टिक चीज़ों के तरफ अट्रैक्टेड हैं एंड इट शोज अ फीलिंग ऑफ कंटेंट. Right now I think you are not wishing for anything, you are on a low, but after that it's a king of pentacles. If you are in job or business it will be very good. It shows a very positive sign. It shows progress and it shows celebration. There will be something that will be happening this year in your life which will give you a reason to celebrate. Overall this year is very lucky for you. Good luck. Thank you. Mrs. Beena Rawat, just a second. Your future and wealth. Just a second. And please ask your questions separately. I'll draw cards for every small questions. Like if you want to know how this year will be, you can ask financially, or if you're in a job, how your year will be, नया साल कैसा होगा. if on emotional context, like you आपके relationship कैसे होंगे, marriage में कोई problem है, whatever, like आप सारे क्वेश्चंस अलग अलग पुट कीजिए. सिर्फ ये नया साल कैसा होगा, रिगार्डिंग व्हाट, आप किस चीज के बारे में जानना चाहते हैं वो स्पेसिफिक मुझसे पूछिए. Yes, Miss Beena Rath, I'll draw cards for you. Just a second. Got 3 cards. Wealth wise, I think death, it is not a negative card. It shows whatever the phase is going through in your life, in your daughter's life, it will come to an end. It shows disconnectivity of anything which is still going on. जो भी एक phase चल रहा होगा किसी चीज का, वो अब end होगा. दिस शोज अगर कुछ नेगेटिविटी है, कोई ऐसी चीज है लाइफ में, वो एंड होगी. उसके बाद एक फ्रेश बिगिनिंग होगी. इट शोज नाइट ऑफ सोर्ड्स. बहुत ही एप्ट डिसीजन आपकी बेटी लेंगी किसी चीज के लिए. आई थिंक रिगार्डिंग योर वेल्थ एंड करियर के लिए उन्हें बहुत सोच समझ के डिसीजन लेना होगा, क्योंकि एक नया स्टार्ट है. एंड आफ्टर दैट it shows 9 of wands. It shows creativity, but with a little lag. Don't get disheartened. It shows creativity. It is a positive card, so she will succeed in this year, but she will also have to have patience. Things will turn very good. Good luck. Thanks. मिस कीर्ति वर्मा, सब ठीक कब होगा, एज इन की क्या रिलेशनशिप वाइज आप क्या जानना चाहते हो, किस एस्पेक्ट में आप क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं, आप प्लीज वो बताइए मुझे. मिस शीबा कपूर, टेल मी अबाउट माय करियर एंड मैरिज. प्लीज बी स्पेसिफिक. करियर के बारे में क्या जानना चाहते हैं, एंड शादी लाइक कब होगी, या कुछ प्रॉब्लम है वो कब सॉर्ट आउट होंगी. प्लीज बी स्पेसिफिक, तब मैं आपको बिल्कुल एक्यूरेट आंसर्स दे पाऊंगी. निकिता, yes, you can have a marriage reading. Please put your question, Miss Nikita. Okay, fine. This reading is for Miss Nikita. I'm drawing cards for you. Miss Nikita, you'll be surprised to see what cards I have got. See, as you can see, this shows balance, coordination in your marriage. I think there is a bit tussle or something in your marriage. It shows, and it will be tackled out only if you reconcile with your partner. The second one is temperance. It itself shows you have to have balance and patience. Any relationship requires understanding, and this shows you this is the path, this is the tarot guidance for you. You need to have patience, you need to have very good coordination, and if you have any difficulties, please reconcile, please talk to your partner, because I think there is some differences between both of you, because the person, I think your partner is looking a bit contented, he is not very much interested in you or in the relationship, so you need to strike balance. This is the guidance for you, Miss Nikita. Thank you. Kirti Verma, just a second. Miss Kirti, I'm afraid to say, like, आपके रिलेशनशिप में आई थिंक देर इज लेस ऑफ इमोशंस, मोर ऑफ मटीरियलिस्टिक थिंग्स. It shows there is less of emotions. I think this is the main reason of problem or obstacles in your relationship, in your marriage. And this card shows you are burdened with the relationship, you are burdened with the relationship, you are just carrying it. I think you are not happy, neither your partner is, you both are just carrying it. I think because of your kids or whatever, the society, anything may be the reason. And I'm afraid to say that yes, this card shows end of something. It is showing maybe end of your marriage. This shows maybe your divorce can happen. Thank you. Miss Shiba Kapoor, I'm taking your questions. Just a second. This shows something is going to happen. You feel so less interested in the situation, whatever you are in right now. Right now, whatever situation you are in, you are not too much interested in that. I think you are ready for marriage, because this is the Empress card. You can see this is a major arcana card. It shows in marriage, it shows positive sign. Yes, in near future, I can say within 6 months or a year, you will get married. It shows fertility, it shows yes, approval of the relationship. I think you will go you will find your soulmate very soon. And this is also a very positive card of the deck. This is Wheel of Fortune. Whatever problems are there till now that may be obstructing you from the marriage, it shows the Wheel of Fortune will turn around to you, and you will whatever you have wished, it will fulfill your desires. I think this is a very lucky year for you. Yes, definitely, very soon you will get married. Miss Farheen Sultana. Ma'am, please ask separate questions. I'll have to draw twice the cards because you have asked two questions. Just a second. It's about your first question. आपकी शादी बहुत जल्द होगी क्योंकि दिस इज अ मैजिशियन कार्ड, वेरी पावरफुल कार्ड. दिस कार्ड शोज द मैजिशियन हैज ऑल द टूल्स नेसेसरी. आप अपने थॉट से, आप अपने जो भी आपके पॉजिटिव एस्पेक्ट्स हैं वो यूज करके, इट्स अ बिट मैनिपुलेटिव. आप सामने वाले के डिसीजन को भी चेंज कर सकते हो. You can manipulate whatever people are trying to hold you back. You will succeed. This shows obviously you are going to be in a relationship soon, and this is the world. This is very positive card. This is very positive card. You will get your partner soon, very soon. I can say within 6 months or a year you are going to get married. The second question for Ms. Farheen, this is again, I'm spreading cards for you. This is a yes no question. So I have drawn only one card. C. आपकी लव मैरिज हो सकती है अगर if you strike balance between the things, between families. I think whatever there is obstacle, act wisely and then you will succeed. It is a yes card. Yes, आपकी लव मैरिज होगी. Thank you. My man. Okay, Mr. Dheeraj. There are two questions. I'm taking cards for the first one. This shows 5 of Pentacles. It shows there is a bit of burden in your marriage. Whatever there is, it shows there are some contradictions in your marriage. But if you still work on it, it shows emotions. I think there is lack of emotion in your relationship. Please work on it. And after that, the card I have got, you will be surprised to see this is a very, very positive card. It shows prosperity. It shows celebration of the family. So you see your future will be very good in this relationship. Your marriage will really work. You need to work on it, work on the emotional aspect of it. Thank you. Poonam ji, I'm taking your question. Your sister health. Just a second. I have got all the positive cards. This shows you have to take risk. You have to make some lifestyle changes. You have to make some lifestyle changes, and you really need to take some important decisions regarding your health. And it shows very good, very good healing, very good progress this card shows. So in near future, I can say within 6 months or a year, her health will improve. You need not worry about it. Thank you. Miss Geeta, April month predictions, please be specific. Miss Nikita. Okay, fine. I'm taking cards for you. Miss Nikita, as I can see, your partner right now, he is more into materialistic things, or maybe we can say he is focusing on his career rather than his relationship or marriage, rather than you. He is a bit more focused towards his career. He is in, he likes you. This shows, but it shows a little bit of distraction too. He has some responsibilities to fulfill, so right now he is not totally into you. And maybe in near future, if you are saying वो कब तक बात करेंगे, you need to have patience. This is card of solitude. वो थोड़ा सा आपसे दूर है. आई थिंक आप लोगों में डिफरेंसेस हैं. यू हैव टू वेट टिल थिंग्स वर्क आउट. थैंक यू. Mrs. Aditi, I'm drawing cards for you, for your daughter, आपकी बेटी के लिए. Just a second. नियर फ्यूचर में हो सकती है, लाइक 2021 में आप कह रहे हैं. दिस इज कार्ड ऑफ अ न्यू बिगनिंग. इट शोज क्रिएटिविटी ऑफ एनी रिलेशनशिप. but you have to wait. I'm not sure if this year, इस साल आपको वेट करना पड़ सकता है. पॉजिटिव साइंस हैं, लेकिन थोड़ा टाइम लग सकता है. मे बी नेक्स्ट ईयर. Okay, Miss Geeta, April month predictions for relationship. I'm taking your question. This month is very good for your relationship as it shows celebration, reconciliation with your partner. But again, this shows you have to strike balance. This month will be very positive for your relationship. Thank you. Ankana, now I can read your name. Okay, I'm taking out cards for you. Regarding your love life, it's showing a bit of, I think you can see it's not a very good card for love relationship. But later on, if you work on this, I think there is something third. I think there is a negative energy which is creating obstacle in your life, in your relationship. But after that, if you work on it, it is really positive card for a relationship. And even after that, everything will be fine. Right now, it's not the right moment for you, for your relationship. But later on, everything will be fine. Thank you. Mr. Rohit, I'm taking your question. I've got all three positive cards for you. Positive cards. But this card shows travel. I think you need to have some patience, but definitely you will succeed. Whatever you are asking for your home, yes, not now, but I think next month or within 6 months, it's showing a good sign for you. Thank you. Mr. Navneet. Actually, tarot gives really very accurate readings about relationship, love relationship. So feel free to ask many more questions regarding your love life. Other aspects too. Mr. Navneet, I'm drawing cards for you. See, it is very positive card for start of any relationship. It shows creativity. Yes, I think you can take your relationship to your next level if marriage is on your mind. You will be the decision maker in the relationship, as it shows a dominant male figure, but there may be times when you are not too much emotionally connected with your partner and maybe focus on your career or money related issues, but I think you will be the decision maker in your relationship. And yes, your relationship, you can take it to another level. It's very bright card, nice card for you. Good luck. Mr. Harpreet Singh, I'm taking your question. Regarding your business, it shows very hard work is needed. This shows pentacles generally represent money related matters, financial issues, career issues, and everything. So you need to focus and you need to work really hard in your business if you want success. The second card is judgment. It's a major arcana card. It shows everything will be all right, everything will be fine if you strike balance between the two. It shows judgment. So but still you have to restrict yourself from something negative. If you have some bad habits or if you are lured to something that is not good, so you need to distract yourself from such things, then only you will succeed with hard work. Thank you. Miss Lisa, I'm taking your question. Manisha and Mohit, just a second. Yes, they will get married. It shows a new beginning, creativity. It is related to emotion, new relationship. Yes, they will get married. And the decision maker will be a male. I think the from both of them, Mohit will be the decision maker. But still be careful. Be careful of any kind of cheating or something. Yes, in near future, both of them will get married. Thank you. Mrs. Aditi, I'm taking your question. थोड़ा वेट करना पड़ सकता है आपको. It shows creativity, it shows fertility, it shows a new beginning. आपके घर में बेबी एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हो, बट स्टिल यू हैव सम टाइम. थोड़ा टाइम है, बट इट शोज अ पॉजिटिव साइन. आई थिंक आफ्टर ईयर देर आर सम साइंस. यस, थैंक यू. Maria, I'm taking your question. Maria, this is very positive card regarding your job, all three. This Two of Wands really denote a very good decision or something if it's in your mind, and the Judgment card shows everything will be good, everything will be balanced, and yes, it shows you will get your job soon. Thank you. Miss Ankana, I'm taking your question. This shows you need to move out of the box and take risks. It shows risk taking attitude. So yes, you will get your job, but you need to move out of your whatever right now, whatever you are expecting the field, you need to change it. Means you need to move out of your comfort zone and take the risk. Yes, obviously there is a chance of success, you will get the job. Whenever you ask questions regarding career, finance, money related issues, if you get pentacles, then it really a very positive sign. And this is the highest card in deck of in the set of pentacles. This is King of Pentacles. If you take the right decision, if you take risk, then certainly you will succeed and you will really go to a very high level. Thank you. Mr. Ravi, I'm taking your question. This shows a new beginning. You can start something new. This shows a very positive aspect, a very positive beginning. This is King of Swords. You have to be very wise while making your decisions. King of Swords. It shows you have not to be manipulative. You have to be very affirm while making decision, because it will really affect whatever your job is. It will really affect. So you, and the last card I have got is the Magician. Even if you are facing any problem, any difficulty in your job or career, this shows you can manipulate everything with all your positive points. This has got cups, swan, sword, and pentacles, everything. So you need to recollect all your positive things, and it will really work. Your time will be very good regarding your job in near future. Thank you. Ankara, I'm taking your question. Ankara, it shows emotions. Four of Cups. So I think it's showing lack of emotions in your relationship or your marriage. So you really need to work on it. But after that, it's showing very positive card, the Sun. Everything will be all right in your relationship, and if you are asking for marriage, yes, it will happen, because this is Ace of Wands. It shows emotions. It shows a beginning of a new relationship. Definitely marriage will happen. Thank you. Tarot reading is really very accurate regarding love relationships. So you feel free to ask such questions. Other questions too regarding your job, your career, your relationship, about your kids, your family, anything, I'm here to answer. Jinal ji, how would be my life next month generally? But Jinal, please be more specific about, like, your life will be regarding your job. You need to switch your job. Is there anything new in your business or your relationship? Please be specific so I can answer you. Miss Subhu, whatever your question is, I can't get it. Please Be more specific. Relationship. Okay, okay. Jinal, taking cards for you. The decision maker in your relationship is the male member. You really need to have patience in your relationship, and the last card shows you are not too much into emotions. You are a bit distracted towards uh, materialistic things. You need to work on this. You need to reconcile with the partner and then move ahead. Thank you. Okay, Ms. Khushbu, I'm taking your question. Uh, right now, you need to wait. Still, if you want, you need to be away from materialistic things. You need to focus on your job. You need to focus on your career, because right now it's really, it shows you need to wait like 6 months or a year. After that, you'll start earning. Thank you. Okay, fine. Ms. Subbu, I'm taking your question. Yes, marriage will really happen. If you need, I think right now your partner is focused on material things, and beware of cheating also, as you can see. Right now you need to wait. Please talk to your partner and make things work out. Please don't be in a hurry and take wise decision. Thank you. I think I have answered most of questions. Thank you everyone for joining me. If you have any other questions, I'll be live again, then you can put your questions. Till then, wish you all a very happy new year. Baisakhi, Gudi Padwa, Chaitra Navratra, Ramzan, everything. Thank you.